Meet the LifeStraw Mission, a high-performance compact gravity water purifier that removes viruses and other water contaminants for safe drinking water without the need for electricity or chemicals. With LifeStraw Mission, you can drink water from here, or here, or here. Just fill, roll, hang, and drink. The LifeStraw Mission comes with a convenient roll bag and strap for easy transport and flexibility to hang virtually anywhere. Quick connect hose, replaceable membrane ultrafilter, and built-in backwashing system. Available in 5-liter and 12-liter sizes. The roll bag is made from high-quality, durable, laminated nylon, so you can always be ready for your next adventure. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, the LifeStraw Mission has been used and tested all over the world. Sound risky? It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water here and just put it here. The LifeStraw Mission features a membrane ultrafilter that protects against viruses, including rotavirus and hepatitis A, bacteria like E. coli, parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Hollow fiber membranes with microscopic pores trap disease-causing contaminants, while water passes through and is rendered safe to drink. The membrane ultrafilter lasts up to 4,755 gallons, 18,000 liters. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Meet the LifeStraw Peak 3-liter gravity water filter system. Extremely durable, high-performance water filtration and leak-proof storage. Great for backcountry treks or simply having a single water solution for your camp and your crew. The most durable gravity bag on the market with high-performance materials. Seriously, you can't break this thing. We tried. Yet super lightweight and packable. The new premium twist-on cap means you never worry about leaking and you can carry water with you. The strap and carabiner make it easy to hang and carry. Includes hose with standard quick connect to allow for easy fill into other systems. The system features a membrane microfilter that removes bacteria like E. coli, parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. We're also a climate neutral certified B Corp, and for every LifeStraw product purchased, a school child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Time to step up your water filtration game.
Access clean water on all your adventures with the LifeStraw Go. Ideal for outdoor use and travel, it is a BPA-free, refillable water bottle with an integrated 2-stage filter that removes harmful contaminants to keep you safe. Using it is simple. Fill the bottle, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, blow the water out of the filter, replace the cap, and off you go. The first stage of the filter is the hollow fiber membrane, which keeps you safe by removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, and it filters 1,000 gallons of water. The second stage is the activated carbon capsule, which improves the taste of the water by reducing chemicals, and it filters 26 gallons of water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives clean water for an entire school year. Go here, go there, go anywhere with the LifeStraw Go.
This is the LifeStraw Flex with collapsible squeeze bottle. This product comes with a collapsible 22-ounce squeeze bottle, the full LifeStraw Flex filter, and a syringe for backwashing. The Flex filter can be used in 5 ways. Use it with the included squeeze bottle, with the gravity bag, as a standalone straw, with a plastic bottle, or in line with a hydration bladder. Just fill the bottle with water from here, here, or here, and enjoy. The Flex with squeeze bottle is easy to take with you. Compact, lightweight, and versatile. And we mean versatile. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, the LifeStraw Flex has been used and tested all over the world. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. With this technology, Water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that traps bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Then, an activated carbon plus ion exchange filter absorbs chemicals and bonds to heavy metals like lead, reducing even more contaminants from your drinking water. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Meet the reimagined LifeStraw. Our Peak Series personal filtration straw is the ultimate in lightweight filtration. This new straw features more premium materials, enhanced flow rate, and more versatility. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, at only 2 ounces, pack and store it anywhere, and you'll have 5 years of safe water in the palm of your hand. The membrane microfilter removes bacteria and parasites. The LifeStraw Peak Water Filter Straw boasts new caps to prevent leakage in your pack, and added versatility. The universal threading when you remove the bottom cap can attach to standard threaded water bottles and flasks. The built-in hose attachment also allows you to connect to standard gravity systems and hydration packs. We're also a climate-neutral certified B Corp, and for every LifeStraw product purchased, a school child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe, pack a LifeStraw.